Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to connect the Samsung T9 portable SSD to this device and how to move the photos or videos from this phone to your SSD. Okay, so this is my Samsung T9 portable SSD. So first of all, open the files application and tap on the browse at the bottom tab. So with the help of this cable, we can easily connect. You can see both the side is a C type. So first you have to connect it to your phone. Okay. And the other end, you please connect it to your SSD. After connect, you can see a blue light and just wait for a few seconds. You can see the name here. You can see Samsung T9. Just tap on this one. You can easily access the files on your SSD. So first I will show you how to move the photos or videos directly from your phone to the Samsung T9 portable SSD. Okay. First of all, open your photos application. So here you can see three photos. If you want to move or copy more than one images, just tap on the option select on the top right side. So you can select multiple photos. So here you can see I selected 2 photos. If you want to select more, you can see I selected 7 photos. Tap on the share button on the bottom left side. You can see the option copy photos. Tap on this one. Now open the files application. Tap on browse. Tap on your SSD name. And you can see the files here. You can create a new file, otherwise you can open any existing files. Now press and hold the blank area. Tap on paste. You can see all the photos you can see here. So simply in this way we can move, you can connect the Samsung T9 portable SSD to your phone and you can easily move photos and videos directly from your phone to SSD. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.